Hello, my name is Avanigadda Manoj Kumar and I am from Andhra Pradesh, and I graduated in 2024 with a bachelor's degree in computer science and engineering from Gudlavalleru Engineering College, Andhra Pradesh. Although my academic background is in computer science, I have always been passionate about networking. To pursue this interest, I have such best platform for learning these networking courses. One of my friends suggested this Evision Technoserve platform. This Evision Technoserve is an IT recruitment and consulting company. In Evision, I had joined online full-day job internship under guidance of IT managers and administrators in January 2025. In this, I have completed several courses including CompTIA Networking Plus, Virtualization, Windows Administration, Windows Server and CCNA, and ITIL. Cybersecurity and Linux offers a comprehensive foundation in various IT and networking domains. And I'm happy to share I am selected as a desktop support engineer in Orient Technologies. And special thanks to HR department and placement team for your support and your guidance. In Evision Technoserve, this 45 days internship would provide a well-rounded experience to kickstart a career in IT and networking, and doing real-world labs simulating network supports, server configurations and security tasks, and guidance from experienced professionals in each field, and work on live projects such as setting up a small network, administrating a Windows domain, or conducting a vulnerability assessment on a Linux system. I recommended to join in everyone for searching online best platform for learning networking courses in IT. Evision is the suitable platform for that. Thank you.